KSP Machines Premium Solutions gives an insight into how premium machines should look like. A machine destined for global production. A machine destined to be the best solution there is. KSP Machine presents the AQUA ROLLER. KSP Engineers takes engineering and design to a new level. AQUA ROLLER is the joint work of KSP's designers to showcase how KSP's design, with its quality and technology, might come together with the premium machinery in one beautiful form. Simplest and highest quality cleaning solution for small and complex parts. With the help of spare filters, no need to stop the machine for filter cleaning. Washing, rinsing, oiling, and drying in one machine. Highest safety precautions. Controlling the machine via your mobile phone. Adjustable conveyor speeds to adapt your production needs. Your greatest partner in production. KSP Machine. Premium solutions for premium customers.